This is the box, front, back. You can tell the back is the back because it has hinges. The best way to open it is to turn the box over and have it rest on its top, and then grab the box from the sides like this and push the bottom with your thumbs. So I'll do it again. Then you slide the mid little thing here, and you can see there the hole, the keyhole. Okay, then you need to slide this little thing here. I'll do it again. Not too much, just a little bit, in order to slide the side, and you can push it like this. It has a, see what I do is I put my fingernail there. Sometimes it slides like this, but if not, you can put your fingernail and slide this out, this piece. Inside this piece is the key. It was there. Okay, now I'm going to put this there just to make it better. Turn it over again. Use the key to open the box. And voila! I'm not going to open it because, Rachel, I want you to open it. So I'm going to close it, lock it again. You lock on this side like that. Going that way, you lock it. I am going to put, okay, let's see. I will put it on the, what is this, Gijo? On the
top.
Turn it over again. Then I will slide this part. And this is kind of hard because this box is new and it's hand carved. It's a wooden box, hand carved. So still maybe you can open it and close it many times to make it slide better. But this one, don't slide it too much, just to that point. Then the key goes like this inside this little, how do you say ranura? Notch. So on the side, you see, there's this part that is darker that goes first. Oh, the key came down. Okay. And there is like a little piece that goes out, and some little grooves on the side. See? No, it's not. It's that way. So you have to make it go like it's a special groove there to make it slide. You slide it like that. You were right. Gijo was right. It's the other way. It's good because then you can tell it's the other way. The dark part goes at the end. So goes perfectly, and sometimes it gets stuck a little bit there, but okay. Then you slide this back. You put this back. It doesn't go one way, it always goes just one way. There you go. You push it back with your thumb, with your fingers, holding it with your thumbs, and that's it. Your puzzle magic box. Hope you like it. Happy birthday.